Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a deal for some free chocolate and we're going to walk through this deal. These GODIVA domes are 4.3 ounces. So when I'm asking you to really pay attention in store, that's precisely what I mean. So I found this in the regular chocolate aisle. There is another one that's found in the Christmas aisle, but it's a larger box and I believe it's not part of this promotion. So you're going to have to stick to these little guys. So you're going to pick up for this deal 3 of them. And I'm just going to show you because I know a lot of you are probably going to just like bebop to the Christmas stuff and be like, this is what I want. This one is 7.3 ounces and the IVC does not attach to it and it's $7.99 per box. It's a beautiful box, but it's sadly not part of it. So just really pay attention, guys. Now, this is your IVC coupon that you can load digitally, or they might have the like a version at the store found in the Big Book of Savings at the front of the store. And it's a 2 off a 2. And then the promotion for this is to buy 1, get a $1 back register reward. Buy 2, get a $2.50 register reward. Buy 3, get a $4 register reward. So that's what we're going for. And if you look at the dates, it's from the 29th, which is today, Monday, right till the 26th, which is the day after Christmas. So that is the promotion for the register rewards, and the top is the IVC. My store did not have the Big Book of Savings for December out, so I'd have to load it digitally. Now, if you go to your smart source of November the 21st, there is this $1.25 coupon. And there is no limitation like 1 per household, per person, blah, blah, blah. It's just like a coupon. And as you can see, our little box is there and there's no size limitation on it. So this will in fact work. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one, grabbing 3 bags of the dome, that's $10.50. They are 2 for $7. The third one will bring up for $3.50. Subtracting 3 $1.25 coupons from the smart source of November the 21st. There we go. That IVC, even though it's a 2 off a 2, what's going to happen because you have a third item, an extra $1 will also come off. So you're left with paying $3.75 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free plus a 25-cent money maker. Quick question to answer. If you wish to use Walgreens cash or register reward, absolutely go for it if you're doing this deal on its own. Now, a lot of us have these in our back pockets, which are these store coupons. Would I entertain the idea of throwing this into one of these deals? The answer to that is yes, because you know what? At this moment right now, I don't have those GODIVA manufacturers, so I want the chocolate, but I don't have the coupons. What do I do? Here it is. Let's grab 3 bags of the domes for $10.50. Let's use a $5 store coupon. That register reward, the 2 off a 2, which is actually going to subtract 3. I'm going to pay $2.50, get back my $4 register reward, making this a fantastic deal. Now, if I want to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, I can absolutely do that. I just think it's a smart use of that $5 store coupon. To answer another quick question, these are just the regular bags. They're not the domes, but it's a bag of GODIVA chocolate that's also 2 for $7. This will have to be tested out today to see, is this part of it too? And for a lot of this GODIVA chocolate, I would absolutely check the expiry date on the back because in the store yesterday, I was looking at a couple boxes of the domes and they were expiring in January. So if I'm gifting this to like a neighbor or somebody, that's a quick expiry date. I would rather get something a little different that expires like in April. And I saw that date as well. So just BOLO for that. Be on the lookout. And I'm going to test probably these little masterpieces later today to let you guys know my findings. Okay, the next piece of info I want to talk about is this, and this is for today only, which is November the 29th, which is Monday. It is 30% off regular priced items with the code CYBER30. Free shipping, no minimum today. So the best advantageous way to do it is either to, if you want to order something online, or if you wish to do a curbside pickup at the store. So how fun is this? And this is today only as well. Now, I tried with the chocolates. Like, could I use that code and be super devious and greasy? And guess what? Nope, it's not working. So they are a casino that does not like to lose. For the chocolate deal, you have to do it in store. For these other deals, you can either do it online or you could do it as a curbside pickup for the cyber deals that I'm going to show you. Okay, so hopefully everything is crystal clear to this point. The first deal that we're going to do with that code is this. Special thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal. So these little 1 ounces of the Nivea cream, they're $1.09 each, and when you buy 3 of them, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So throwing 3 of these regular priced items into a basket, that's $2.72. Okay, and there's supposed to be some savings here, but you know, who really knows? So I could have this shipped to my home, or I could do it as a curbside pickup. It's either or. So how nice is that? And this is, again, just today, which is the 29th. They're trying to do this in part with Cyber Monday. All the other big retailers are doing things, you know, in competition with Black Friday. So you shop online and spend all of your money. Okay, but this is a freebie, believe it or not, guys. So tossing 3 of those into a basket, $2.72. We're going to pick this up as a curbside pickup. Well, the tax hasn't been applied yet because I didn't finish a checkout, but it's $2.39. And the sweet thing about this deal is that when you buy 3 of these products, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And here it is at the bottom, $5.02. So a nice little freebie and money maker. These could be a really nice little stocking stuffer, or if you're making makeup kits for Christmas, for special people, you know, you have that option too. And who doesn't like a little bit of lotion this time of the year? Okay, so the next deal that we have is to grab one of these boxes of diapers. So they are $29.99. Now this is just to get something inexpensive. So if you have a little one at home, or if you have a shower coming up, or if you were gonna have a baby, I think this is a super deal. So we have a 6 off coupon. So we're gonna load this. I believe it's an IVC. So just load it, and it's off of these larger packs as well. Now, I just grabbed a box of the newborn, but it's all these different sizes. So if you were looking at this deal and you have a little one, you're like, well, I can't use the size 1 or newborn. It's up to size 6. So pick whichever size you need. And then going over to this page, as you can see, it's $29.99. The Cyber 30 savings is $13.20. We have free shipping because we're going to drive to the store and go and grab it. So it's $16.79. You know what I would do, guys? I would just use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $6.79. That's a really good deal right here. Okay, the last little thing we're going to look at is the hemps. And I know a lot of you really love this moisturizer for $19.99. That stuff is not cheap. It is super expensive. So we're going to put 1 of them in the basket. What happened to me this morning with the BOGO 50% off, when an item was 50% off, Cyber 30 was not attaching. But for the 1 item, it was attaching. My personal experience. Anyhow, attaching the Cyber 30 code, $6 is coming off for this very expensive lotion. So as you can see, we're doing a little pickup here. Our Cyber 30, $6 is coming off. We have our tax. So $14.83. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay the $4.83 and laugh all the way to the bank and back, especially if you love the hemp's lotion. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.